Introducing a cutting plotter today, AOL 1070 series. The whole machine is 2911mm long and 850mm wide and 1355mm high. The actual cutting platform area is 700mm wide and 1000mm long. The weight is 800 kilograms and has standard 4-zone vacuum absorption. This machine has separate set of knives: through-cut knife, oscillating knife, half-cut knife, pressure wheel, equilateral large bevel cutting, suitable for use in the advertising sign industry and packaging industry. Through-cut knife is used to cut vertically. The half cutter can realize the kiss cut. Oscillation knives can be used to cut foam board, PVC board, etc. It can serve the advertising industry very well. Pressure wheels are used to make indentation, commonly used in packaging industry. There are suction cups for sheet feeding and rollers for web feeding. We also have rewinding racks to choose from. Faster product collection during continuous work. Another point is that AOL will configure according to the voltage and socket requirements of each country. For all the machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes. It will be packed very well before shipping. If you have any further questions, please contact AOL for more details.